Okay guys, this is another video box opening of mystery booster box, and this is my last box. Hopefully hopefully I finally get to see the infamous mana crypt, because out of the 3 boxes that I have opened, I haven't seen not one mana crypt. So how do I open this? Oops. Let me ask for some help from my car keys. Oops, can't seem to. There you go. Okay. Sorry, I'm not a pro. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so these are 24 booster packs. Where did I put you? Right there. Okay, and it should be okay right here. Let's go. Let's start. We'll do this a bit quickly, okay, because it's kind of late. I'm from the Philippines, and right now I'm doing this video. It's like 3 a.m. already, way past my bedtime, but this is the only time where the place is quiet, so it's a nice time to do a video, which I don't normally do. Okay, pack 1 done. My last video, the first pack, I got the vampiric or demonic tutor. Okay, path to exile, pressure point, snap, reckless. So you know what I'm looking for, guys. So hopefully get to see it. We get to see it finally. By the way, I have a question for you guys. I am not a EDH player yet, okay? Simply because I'm not familiar of the cards. Don't have that much familiarity with the cards that you could use, but I'm planning on building a deck. But my question is, can you think it's possible to create a commander deck out from just mystery boosters? You think it's possible, guys? Or at least, how close could I get from building a casual EDH deck out from mystery boosters? Like, would I be 80% close to building a deck, or 50%? Yeah, because someone out there might be familiar of the cards from this set, which from what I know, there's quite a lot of them. 1800 maybe, something like that. So out of those 1800 cards, you think, guys, we could create an EDH deck out from it? Hopefully. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that is familiar. Does that mean I'm really unlucky with this? I opened the 4 already, 4 boxes. I had like 1 Rustic Study and 2 Vampiric Tutor. Then everything else that you've seen that I don't remember, that I'm not familiar with. Mishra's Factory. 1/3 of the way already. 2/3 to go. Soul Summons. Arcane Denial. Thornwood Falls. What the? Mythic. And in the pain something. This is not good. It's not looking good. Okay. Let me just fix the stacks right here. Okay. Cards are so slippery and they're new. Okay. Petron, Disenchant, Capture Spear, Mana Leak. Still no luck. Temp with Discovery and a Sakashima the Imposter. Pasta. Caravan Escort, Pacifism, Ninja, Dirge of Death. Odric. Damn. Odric. Okay. Next. Oust. Purple Crystal Cloud. What do you think? Teferi's Protection and a common foil. 1 rare. Man, I don't believe this. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll be lucky. Just have to be patient. Just have to hope that Grand Architect, couple of rares, and some of those. Rowan Horse and Duplication, Guerrilla Tactics. Goblin Game. What is the Goblin Game? What is it? It's kinda long. Each player hides at least 1 object. Wow. I can't seem to open this one. Okay, there you go. Problem solved. Village Bellringer, Pantrach Ward, Slipstream Eel, Sealak Monster, Marsh Hawk, Lawless Broker, Bring Low, Prophetic Ravings, Borderland Explorer, Priest of Titania, Esper Charm, Mirror Retriever, Flame Shot, mirror entity, and a sliver, common sliver. My god, that was hard. Okay, let's try calling the names of the card. Voice of the provinces. Nah, can't do it. Some of them are really long. Millstone and monster and something. Oh my god. Last box, and yet nothing exciting. Black market and a common again. My god. Last 8 packs. You know, guys, why I bought this 4 boxes? Because I've been watching YouTube videos of unboxing of these products, and most of them, if not all, actually 90% of them are quite profitable. Well, they say so. I'm not sure, but that entices people to go buy. So for me, I had the extra box and I've fallen for it. Another common foil. All of our foils are either common, uncommon, or look at this, guys. Common. This one is, I don't know, but common, uncommon, common, uncommon. See? Waiting. I'm tempted. No word, but Daretti. You know the other valuable card that I know here? Dot foil triplets, something like that. Foil triplets. All of my 4 boxes didn't get that card on the foil slot. Imagine. See, I got a couple of those already, but the triplets, I'm yet to see one. I haven't seen one. Meh. Vashino, stunt double, and uncommon foil. See, that's just how it is. Last 3 packs. Deep freeze. He's a voice of Zendikar, and this one again, I have 4 of these already, or a play set of those. I'm not sure, but quite a lot. Last 2 packs. Where are you? Where is the love? Thieving Magpie. Red one, Star of Extinction, and another common. Wow, common, uncommon, I don't know. Last pack. At least we're done with this. So hopefully I get to do it again during Ikoria once the product is shipped. I have like a couple of collector booster and a couple of draft booster. I'm still hoping. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. That might be it, but doesn't seem like it because of the text. So much text. It isn't. Creatures you control get Mother F Eldrazi Monument. Frustrating. It's just frustrating. Alright, that's it. Well, I guess you can't get what you want, but you can have what you don't need. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying now, but look at this. The commons and uncommons in this foil slot is massive. Wow, I mean, see, I'm putting them on top just to see how much. Wow, I only got like this. I only had 6 foil rares. All of this commons and commons. Wow. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye till the next one. Bye.